Hello guys, how you guys doing? Today I decided to go out to check out some decor for my house and I need to get a new background for my YouTube, so I'm going to go out. So that's why I decided to take it along with me. So let's see what is there and let's see. Hopefully we get something good at a cheap rate because your girl does not have money. This is the annoying part. The fact that they don't have prices on this thing. It looks like dog skin. You know those dogs that used to run about? Oh, this is beautiful. This is so nice, like, but I don't know if it's going to match like my blue. I like this, but of course my couch is blue, so I don't know. But you can't even see the prices. What is wrong with these people? Every time you go to this thing now, your money has finished because you can't see the price of something, and you now say, ah, I'm sorry, I can't pay for it. Okay, this one is nice. So it doesn't. Oh, this is so cool. There's no place like home. It's okay. Because the annoying thing is, like, can't they put prices on it? No, how will I know? But if I buy this one now, it will get dirty. I can't. Okay. Oh, you can remove it. Of course, there's line, corona period, so we have to wait. Yes, we are in, thank God. I spent almost like 20 minutes or 30 minutes in the cold. My hands are frozen. So guys, I just got back home from shopping. I couldn't show you guys everything because oh my god, there's so much traffic and I was like tired. I just want to show you guys what I got. I want to use this side as my background, so that's the reason why I went out to buy all these things. So let me show you guys what I got. The first stop, I went to JYSK. Yeah, it's a home decor place here in Georgia. So let me show you. First I got this frame. It goes well with the house. a lot of things. I got this. Life is too short to wait. Yeah, this. So yeah, I'm going to arrange all the pictures together and try to see the ones I really like. So you should just arrange the pictures, different styles. Then if you need help, you can send some of the pictures to your friends to know which one they like, and then you conclude on what choice. So after I decided what choice of arrangement I liked, so I'll now start gathering them. Then I also measured the wall to know the exact centimeter I need in between the pictures so as to make it look symmetrical. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing here now. So now I'm going to use the double-sided tape after I already know where exactly I want to place the pictures, the frames on the wall, and I already marked it down with pencil on the wall, so I know the exact space and place for it. So I'm using double-sided tape just because I can't drill holes in my on my wall, because of course it's a rental apartment and I don't want any trouble when I'm leaving, and especially there's a wallpaper. But if your wall is plain and it's just a painting, you can just use a hole. So that's why I use double-sided tape. Another option for you is the command strip. You can get that on Amazon. So yes, so I'm still placing double-sided tape all over the pictures frame behind, then placing it on the wall. Like I said, I already used a pencil to mark out where exactly I want my frames to be. That's why it's easy for me to just go straight to the wall and stick it on it. And also get put in mind, if your frame is too heavy, that would determine if the double-sided tape will be able to hold it down. So you can try and drill holes or pins. Yeah, a friend of mine used pins. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe if you're new. Love you. See you guys next time.